the beginning of a sleeping adventure. Once upon a time, there was the village of Fried, a small village in a distant country. In this village, there was a special forest where you could experience various adventures in your dreams. However, there is an old legend in this forest, and there is a dream spirit who sleeps deep in the forest. She was an important presence for the villagers to adventure in their dreams, but she hasn't woken up recently. The main character's name is Rio. Rio was an adventurous boy who always listened to stories about the forest and hoped that he would also have a great adventure in his dreams. One night, as the moonlight brought beautiful light to the forest, Rio finally made up his mind. Let's awaken the spirit of the dream. And Rio headed to the entrance of the forest. There was a mysterious road that those who got lost in the forest passed by at least once. As I went down the road, the trees trembled and a soft light shone in. Rio moved forward with his heart pounding. As he went deep into the forest, Rio encountered various mysterious creatures. I also met little fairies jumping, birds singing songs, and giant rabbits with big eyes and a gentle smile. The rabbit said to Rio, "The spirit of dreams only awakens to those who have a kind heart. Your adventurous spirit and fraternity will awaken her." Leo went deeper into the forest with those words in mind. And finally, we arrived at a deep cave. In the back of the cave, there was a crystal that emitted a beautiful light, and there was the spirit of dreams, Linnea, sleeping there. Rio made up his mind. To wake her up, you have to show the courage and love in your heart. Rio closed his eyes and spoke to the spirit in his heart. "Mr. Linnea, please wake up. We need your strength. We need your help for everyone to adventure in their dreams." Then, the crystal began to shine, and Renee slowly opened her eyes. "I heard your inner voice, Rio. Thank you. Your courage and fraternity awakened me." Thus, Linnea woke up and the spirits of the forest began to dance together. The villagers were able to adventure in a fantastic dream again, and Rio returned to the village as a hero. The story of a sleepy adventure will continue in the future. A new adventure for Rio and his friends begins now.